What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I got a new piece of clothing. If you checked out my last video, I kind of teased it a little bit, but we're gonna do an unboxing and a first impression. Let's get to it. You can tell by the box, they're gonna be Church's. I'm really excited for these. I think they're gonna be kind of a great, kind of fun shoe, and I wanted to open it up with you. You got the box, beautiful, beautiful box. Nice and easy. Even when you buy them online, I think it's so cool when they kind of wrap it for you and give it to you in a bag. It just adds an extra touch. You already know. Really excited about these. Got the off-white Church's. Again, I wanted to buy something from Church's and Virgil Abloh because I wanted a little bit of a something. Remember them by. Connect with your product, so it's a kind of a QR code, which is cool that you can take a look at online. I'll show you, product authenticity. Just check it out afterwards. I'll show you guys afterwards. But you kind of got some cool paper, really just basic tissue paper, wrapped in just like a regular traditional tissue. Just check to see if there's any dust bags in there. Off-white dust bags, which I think are just a little cool touch. They give you two, so you can put shoes in. You know, like I said, always have your shoes in dust bags. Just regular tissue. All right, let's get in it. Oh, these are sick. So you got one tag. So like, it's crazy. They're worried about people kind of reselling it and stuff. So they've got, please, they'll only accept the return if this is still on there. Kind of cool. Obviously the kind of big thing is special event. So these are called the Burwood 3.0 W. So these are a wide width. I believe they only did wide width, which I thought was a bit bizarre, but very, very cool. Full Goodyear welted with kind of the off-white kind of hands and everything like that, which I think is really cool. Double stack leather heel. You kind of have the special events over here. The laces are sick, very unique to Virgil and everything. The heel, Church's logo on it. Like I said, this is the Burwood 3.0. I ended up getting these in a 6.5 UK. I've got smaller feet. I typically wear like a 9 Nike or like an 8.5 Adidas. So if you look at the eyelet, it's kind of got an open eyelet, which I think is really cool as well. Inside, it's got the Church's logo. So I decided to get these because I wanted something that is a bit more kind of elevated as far as my style goes. I do have some sneakers still, but I just want to kind of bring that up a notch. Have sneakers and just kind of have them as like a casual thing. I don't want them to be a part of my everyday wardrobe. No, I want more dress shoes, a bit more like kind of like boots, things like that. Stuff that's gonna last long and I'm gonna have a part of a collection and kind of build and elevate as we can. The thing that's nice about these two is they're Goodyear welted, so there's something that I can resole and have for many years as long as I take care of them. I'm a bit surprised that they didn't come with shoe trees. I mean, at nearly 1,400 bucks, they're not cheap. They're actually very expensive. You know, you can get like full designer shoes for that. I don't own any brogues, so broguing is this kind of like star pattern or the circle pattern on the welt, which I think is really cool. So these are called wingtips. You got a full calfskin leather tab. It says 2013 zip tie off-white. I don't know if I'll keep that on, but very, very cool. They do make this shoe like regular without kind of anything. This is the Burwood 3.0. It's on an 81 last, or last 81, I believe it's called. The leather is a full calfskin. They call it binder leather. So essentially what that means is it's a full calfskin with like a sheen over the top to give it kind of a more shiny look. Just so cool. They are a bit wide. I'm actually a little worried about the width. We'll see how that plays out. Maybe I have to wear some kind of unique socks with it. Thank you for coming to my unboxing, everyone. I really enjoy being here. Let me know what you guys think. I think they're gonna be great shoes to kind of dress up, dress down. And as always, stay well. Thank you.